So today I just wanted to show you a little bit more about and explain a little bit more about content resolution and content resolvers and what those are, what that means, and how that benefits you. So you see, when I first launched Tomahawk, I've got my local collection like any other media player. I can go through and scroll down these, play these tracks just as you would expect. Um, but really kind of where the magic is within Tomahawk is the idea that a user doesn't have to know or care where the content actually resides for it to be able to seamlessly integrate with all the other content that they have available to them. So as you can see, if I come in here to Preferences and into Resolvers, there is a resolver gallery where you can, with one click, install a bunch of different available sources. So these are sources that have content available for free, like SoundCloud. Last.fm has a bunch of downloadable tracks that are available for free, as well as subscription services like Grooveshark and Spotify are both for subscription premium accounts, as well as a number of others. So you go ahead and one-click install those. You can see the community ratings. And so I've installed a bunch. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on a few. Let's see, I'll do that, and I'll do this, and actually I'll turn on Spotify too, just so you'll see. I'm sorry, if I go back here, you'll see in those, for some of them there's configuration screens, so you need to enter your credentials for premium accounts, or for YouTube there is various preferences you can set. So you go ahead and shut those down, and now you'll see I've got a bunch of playlists that I've created in the past. I've scraped those from the web. I've dragged RDO and Spotify playlist links directly into the sidebar and created these playlists. And now what you'll see is we're going through and actually resolving those tracks, and that's basically searching all the available sources you have and then finding the best result and then just allowing you to play that from there. So you'll see they may be from my local collection. It could be the next one may come from YouTube. The next one may come from Spotify. Once again, you're not having to bounce around to check all those. The other thing that you can do is there's the idea of collections, which are also available to resolve against. And so there's a couple different ways you can add more collections. So one is I may just want to add my home machine. So using Jabber or Gtalk, if I logged in with the same account from both places, my home machine is now available as well. I can browse that entire collection. I can play that collection from here. And it's just yet another available source that when you load a playlist or a station, that it's going to be searched as well. And if it has the best available result, it will play it from there versus any of the other sources you may have available. And then once again, I can come back here and I can actually connect through friends on Gtalk and Twitter, and you may see other friends pop online. Once again, I can browse their collections. I can see whatever their latest content is, and based on the metadata that's being displayed to me, when I click play, it's going to once again search my best available sources for that content. So it may be coming from YouTube, it may come from my local machine, it may come from my home machine, it may come from one of my various resolvers. Once again, the user doesn't have to know or care where it comes from. All they know is it just plays. So I hope that helps explain a little bit more about content resolution and content resolvers, and hopefully you've now seen where they are and how easy they are to install. And now you can go ahead and start dragging in those playlists or creating new playlists and creating new stations and just enjoy all the content that you have available to you from all over the world. Thanks.